Welcome to Marie's Kitchen. Today I'm doing a recipe that I've never done before. I have tried it when someone else made it and it was really good, so I thought I would try my hand at it and see how it turns out. My niece had these pickles with Kool-Aid in them and she got me to try it and I really liked it and she gave me the recipe, so I'm going to try it and see how mine turns out. And all you need are 3 simple things. She had plastic pickles, and I like the plastic pickles because they have the crunch to them. And it sounds like a lot, but this is the recipe, so I'm going to go off the recipe. 1.5 cups of granular sugar. And then you use any pack of Kool-Aid that you like. I'm using the Blue Raspberry Lemonade just because that's what she had, and I tried it and I liked it. But she said the cherry's good and you can use any flavor that you like. So, what we do first, we open up the pickles. And we're going to take some of this pickle juice, if I can pour it out without making a mess, in the jar. Then I'm going to pour my sugar in.
There's a lot of sugar.
It sure is, but it's good. And then Blue Raspberry Kool-Aid. And then I'm going to mix this together. It's a pretty color. Matches my shirt.
Yep.
And like I say, these don't look that good.
But they taste
But they
amazing.
taste really good. I brought one home for Randy to try, and he was skeptical like I was, but he liked it too. So we're going to try it. And you have to let this set for 5 days. After I do this, we've got to let this set.
But you guys ain't got to hold on for five days. It'll be like 4 seconds for y'all.
Yeah. So I'm pouring this into my pickles.
That's thick.
It's not going to. It's going.
No, it didn't go back in there. You gotta shake it up.
Shake it up.
Shake it up, baby.
And there's your pickles. And then we're going to put them in the fridge and let them sit for 5 days. And we'll be back with you in 5 days and let you know how they are. Thanks for hanging out with us. This is the follow-up from my video the other day that I did. I said you had to wait 5 days after you soaked your pickles in the Kool-Aid juice. And this is what it looks like when you're done soaking it.
And we did move it to a bowl instead of the jar.
All of my juice didn't fit back down into the bowl, so I did put it in this thing right here. But what you can do, when I do it again, I'll use the pickle jar and pour out all the juice and mix up my Kool-Aid with it and just pour the juice back in that'll fit in the jar, and that way you can keep it in your jar. But I didn't do that this time, so
But this is what it looks like.
yeah, I'm just using my fingers.
All right.
This is what it looks like. And it's very good. It's sort of reminds me of a bread and butter pickle, but it's a little bit more tangier than a bread and butter, but it's really good. And you can use whatever Kool-Aid you like. This is the Blue Hawaiian Lemonade,
I think so, yeah.
but you can use cherry or whatever you like.
Show them what it looks like on the side. You know, the part you did.
It just soaks in. Like I say, this is 5 days. So you do want it to sit for 5 days. But it's really good. It's something to snack on. It's just something different.
I'm going to give you the phone and let me chat.
Okay.
And all, you know, to be clear with it, we have all tried this before, but we've never made them before.
This was our first time making it. And they are good.
They're really good.
Randy thinks they're a little bit sweet, but I like it. I think they're perfect.
I do think the 1.5 cups is a little too sweet, but
You can fix
You
it
can-
whichever
yeah.
way, however you like it.
there's still it's not something that you can that I would be upset about if somebody served it to me. So
Yes. I would definitely, I want to make it again and use it for a snack.
And you can try any flavor that you want. So. But until next time, guys, keep it delicious.
Kitchen magic, come back for more.